We want people to come and work with us who care about their communities, people who want to make a difference. In return, we will care about you and value your contribution.
We offer flexible working so you get a better work-life balance.
We'll support your development and help you learn new skills.
We'll look after your well-being and make sure there's help there when you need it.
We're building new homes and we're transforming communities.
We're also knocking down barriers for women who want to work in trades.
Fe wnawn ni hyd yn oed eich helpa i wella'ch Gymraeg.
We support each other as one team.
We know life can get tough sometimes. That's why we have free online and telephone counselling support services there when you need it.
Our Rising Stars programme will help you get the job you want.
Here at Pendennis Hostel, we take pride in working with our residents to help them achieve their goals.
Our excellent IT means that you work from anywhere, home, office or any of our schemes.
You'll also have access to our employee benefit platform where you can save on groceries and high street shopping.
Roles in construction and development aren't just for men. We encourage anyone to come work with us.
Together we can build on nearly 50 years of working in North Wales and help provide people with somewhere they can call home.
Really, out from the bottom of my heart, thank you to North Wales Housing for everything they've done to me, and they're still providing me with a service now. Thank you.
We've got some really exciting plans for the future. Come and join us and make a difference.
Come and join us and make a difference.
If you want to make a difference, visit our website for a list of our current vacancies.